An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even an entire sentence. It provides additional information about how, when, where, why, to what extent, or under what conditions something happens. Adverbs add detail and clarity to sentences, making them more expressive. Types of adverbs: adverbs of manner. How? These describe how an action is performed. Examples: quickly, slowly, carefully. Sentence: she ran quickly. Adverbs of time. When? These tell us when an action occurs. Examples: yesterday, now, soon, later. Sentence: we will leave soon. Adverbs of place. Where? These indicate the location or direction of an action. Examples: here, there, everywhere, inside. Sentence: the children are playing outside. Adverbs of frequency. How often? These describe how often something happens. Examples: always, never, sometimes, rarely. Sentence: she always wakes up early. Adverbs of degree. To what extent? These show the intensity or degree of an action. Adjective, or adverb. Examples: very, to, quite, almost. Sentence: he is very tired. Interrogative adverbs. Questions. These are used to ask questions about time, place, manner, or reason. Examples: when, where, how, why. Sentence: why are you late? Relative adverbs. These introduce relative clauses and relate to time, place, or reason. Examples: where, when, why. Sentence: this is the place where we met. Position of adverbs in a sentence. Beginning of a sentence, often used for emphasis. Tomorrow, we will go to the park. Middle of a sentence, often placed after the verb or between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. She quickly finished her homework. End of a sentence, common for adverbs of manner, place, or time. He drove the car carefully. Formation of adverbs. Most adverbs are formed by adding ly to adjectives: quick, quickly, careful, carefully. However, some adverbs do not follow this pattern. Fast, adjective, fast, adverb. Good, adjective, well, adverb. Adverbs versus adjectives. Adjectives modify nouns or pronouns, describing a person, place, or thing. She is a careful driver. Adjective describes the noun, driver. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, describing how something happens. She drives carefully. Adverb describes how she drives. Common mistakes: confusing adjectives with adverbs. Incorrect: she sings good. Correct: she sings well. Double negatives: avoid using two negative adverbs. Incorrect: she doesn't do nothing. Correct: she doesn't do anything. Here are several examples of adverbial clauses, each illustrating different types. 1. Adverbial clauses of time. When: I will call you after I finish my homework. She started cooking when she got home. We will leave as soon as the movie ends. 2. Adverbial clauses of place. Where: she goes wherever he goes. You can sit where you like. The kids are playing where we used to play as children. 3. Adverbial clauses of reason. Why: he didn't come to work because he was sick. She stayed home since it was raining heavily. As the weather was bad, we cancelled the trip. 4. Adverbial clauses of manner. How: she looked at me as if I had said something wrong. He drives as his father taught him. They acted as though they were best friends. 5. Adverbial clauses of condition. Under what condition? I will go if I have enough time. You can borrow the car provided that you return it by 10 p.m. She won't attend the party unless she gets an invitation. 6. Adverbial clauses of purpose. For what purpose? She is saving money so that she can travel next year. He studied hard in order that he could pass the exam. I left early so that I wouldn't be late. 7. Adverbial clauses of concession. Despite what? Although he was tired, he kept working. She went for a walk even though it was raining. Though he tried his best, he didn't win the race. 8. Adverbial clauses of comparison. How much? To what extent? She runs faster than I do. He is not as tall as his brother. She spoke as if she knew everything. Summary example with multiple clauses. Although it was raining. Concession, we went for a walk because we had promised our friends. Reason, and we stayed out until it started getting dark. Time, in each of these examples, the adverbial clause provides crucial details about time, place, reason, manner, condition, purpose, concession, or comparison. Summary: adverbs enrich language by adding detail about actions, qualities, or other descriptions. They enhance clarity and precision in communication by answering key questions like how, when, where, and to what extent something occurs. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell notification so that you never miss on new updates. Have a nice day.